Mastering English Collocations through stories and conversations.
Number 2. From first sight to last goodbye. When Anna moved to a new city for work, she found it hard to make friends. Most of the people she met at first were just casual acquaintances, smiling politely, but never talking for long.
Over time, she met a few colleagues who became good friends and even close friends, sharing lunches and stories after work.
One rainy afternoon, while waiting for the bus, Anna locked eyes with David. It was love at first sight. They began to talk, and before long, they both realized they might be starting to fall in love.
Their conversations flowed easily, and they discovered a strong chemistry between them. David quickly became her significant other, and in Anna's heart, she felt he was her soulmate.
Months passed, and Anna began to have feelings for David that she had never experienced before. Fortunately, the feeling was mutual. David often told her, "You're nothing like the others I've met. She's just not my type, never applied to you." They laughed about how lucky they were not to suffer from unrequited love.
Anna learned that David had been single for years since his childhood sweetheart had moved away, and his high school and college sweetheart had married someone else. They were introduced to each other's families through a mutual friend who said they were perfect together.
After 2 years of love and growth, David decided to make a commitment. On a quiet evening by the lake, he proposed to the woman who had changed his life. She said yes with tears in her eyes.
Their wedding was simple but beautiful, and for a while, everyone said they were happily married.
But life is not always a fairy tale. A few years later, Anna discovered that David had an affair with a co-worker. He admitted it, saying he had been cheating on his wife for months, struggling with his own regrets and insecurities.
The betrayal shattered Anna's heart.
Though their love story ended in pain, Anna never forgot the joy of their early days. The friendships, the chance meeting, and the feeling of having once found her soulmate. She knew that love, even if imperfect, had taught her to live more deeply and more honestly.